These images were filmed in Brisbane, Australia in 2014. It almost looked like nature wanted to wipe this city off the face of the earth. If you underestimate how thick the ice is, you might end up having to pull your car out like this.
Пошли! Давай! Красавцы.
This landslide happened in the city of Bandipur, Nepal.
Твою! Ужас!
In the summer of 2024, a tornado formed right above a Russian airport. The damage was estimated to be at least $2.4 million. And from the ground, it looked even more terrifying. Hail is a motorist's worst enemy. Each hailstone is a hit not only to the car, but also to the owner's wallet. In this crazy video, nature decided to mess with some tourists. While they were climbing the Kizilmen volcano in Russia, a powerful rockfall started.
Аккуратней! Еще один идет. Еще идет, аккуратней.
Sub-zero temperatures are rare in Baku, Azerbaijan. On this day, local divers weren't ready for the ice, and of course, no one had winter tires. Check out this insane footage from the 2011 eruption of Shimodak volcano. It was filmed 9 kilometers away from the crater, but even from that distance, the ash cloud was enormous. It was so bad that it forced railway lines to close and several flights to be canceled. As soon as these Italian workers saw signs of a collapse, they made a run for it. Probably the best decision of their lives. Just seconds later, 350 cubic meters of rock came crashing down. Check out this devastating flood in the Indian state of Kerala. It looks like there was never a house there. Being an Antarctic researcher is a challenging job, and this is just a simple walk from one module to another.
In this case,
Here's another example of what nature can do to a car. The freezing winds in Detroit caused water pipes to burst, and the cars left on the street ended up frozen solid.
She's thankful for this.
In Dearborn Heights today, this team from the city digging, salting, a cold weather crew, showing off its teamwork that is making the dream work for Cheryl Fritz. That crew was pushing water and ice off the street. It is so cold, covering the cars instantly, as Cheryl tried to get out there to move them. Make no mistake, no defroster, no ice scraper was going to help free these vehicles from this ice. Dearborn Heights.
Even from this angle, this video gives us chills. We can't imagine what the people on the boats experienced.
We better get out of here.
This lava flow might not be moving fast, but it's destroying everything in its path. Back in 2018, this eruption in Hawaii had residents watching in horror as the lava crept closer to their homes. These windows were shattered by a massive hailstorm that hit Denver in 2017.
This is freaking cool, dude. Wow. This is actually dope. Oh my
You might think an artist created an entire ice city, but no. These are real houses covered in ice. The strong winds that brought water from the nearby lake are to blame.
This is crazy. Their windows are screwed. Look at this. Jesus. Wow. Oh my God. Sorry for being like, this is unbelievable.
Sometimes nature's fury is a response to human actions. That's what happened in Myanmar in 2024. The water reservoir at the top was used for water storage from jade mining, but an accident caused it to rupture, and the contents cascaded down the mountain, causing a terrible flood. This terrifying nighttime flood happened in Scotland.